Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can turn on or turn off automatic updates for extensions you have installed in the Claude AI desktop application. So let us guide you through it. So usually what you need to do, guys, is navigate to the application settings, not through the web version of Claude AI, but here on the desktop application. So launch the desktop app of Claude, click into these three lines in the top left, hover your mouse over file and select settings. Here, guys, what you want to do is navigate to the extensions tab here under desktop app, expand advanced settings. And here, guys, what you want to do is either turn on or turn off the auto updates for extensions. It was set to or turned on default for me, so may be necessary that you manually disable it here, depending on your decision. And that's it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.